Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we have a chicken breast with paprika and lemon juice. All ingredients below in my description box. We are gonna need some chicken breast pieces, cooking oil, salt, black pepper, paprika, lemon juice, parsley and garlic. In a bag or in a container, we are gonna be adding the chicken breast pieces where we will add all ingredients to taste. We are gonna add some salt, cooking oil, some black pepper, paprika, parsley and garlic, and finally the lemon juice. Now we will remove the air from the bag and close it. Massage the chicken breast with all seasonings. You can leave it in the fridge or cook them quickly. And right here I have my skillet. It's not necessary to add oil, okay? Because the chicken breasts have oil in the bag. So we will put the seasoning chicken breast in the skillet. Cook over medium-low heat. And we will turn it over until they cook both sides. Finally, we are gonna put over high heat, so with it the juice is consumed until they are golden brown both sides. And we are ready to serve. And right here I have my green split peas and salad. And look at my chicken breast pieces with paprika and lemon juice. Looks delicious. Guys, I hope you like my recipe. If yes, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. She's Candy, my coton de tuliar. She has own videos every Saturdays, and she's my partner every Wednesdays with my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.